Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about other two conditions of while placing the pyramid types of solid. Okay, so let's move on the problems. Okay, so here I have to take the two conditions, that is called as the base edge is inclined at a inclined to VP, and the base edge is equally inclined to VP. So in this class, we discussing about these two cases. Okay, so while discussing this problem, you have to check your problems clearly what type of conditions are given a problem. Okay, so let's move on the problem. So here I have to take the solid is like a base edge is inclined to VP. Okay, so let's move. We already see that is an inclination to VP means you have to proceeding to below the XY line, that is a representations. Okay, from the your once you have to draw the reference line is like a XY, you constructing the what is the angle is given to inclination of the base edge. So while you are to construct these conditions, no, so you understand what is the angle is given. Okay, it's like a 30 degree or 40 degree or 50 degree, whatever. Okay, first of all, you have to draw the horizontal line. That is a very foremost thing. Okay, so once you have to construct the it's like a horizontal line. Okay, so you have to draw the it's like a pi value is given. It's like a certain value is given your problem. Okay, it's like a 45 or 30. So from this value, that's from this is your base side. Okay, from the base side, you have to construct the angle. Okay, what is the angle is given? It's like a 30 degree. Let us assume. Okay, so the base edge value is 25. So you have to once is mark it as angle of 25. Okay, so from the 25, this is the your base. Okay, this is your center point. Okay, this is the starting point. Okay, so from the starting point, what is the angle we have to mark? That is a 30 degree. You have to draw the horizontal line from this 25. This line name is called as AC. Once you have to constructing AC line, okay, you have to take the arc method. You proceeding the triangle will be completed. Okay, so or else you have to take another easy methods. Okay, so the arc method is more convenient to solve for this problem. Okay, so you have to take the 20 mm arc from the A and C. Okay, you have to cut the arc. The both the arc getting meeting at one point is called as a B. So that is a B point is called as a third. That is all the corners getting joined at one point. Okay. So once you are to completing these points, okay, you are to proceeding the line towards the above the XY lines. Okay. So towards the XY line, then you are to getting the base length of the given side. Okay. So here I have to proceed the A is coming under A dash. Let's see, move on. A is coming under A dash, and C is coming under C dash. B is coming under B dash. So you're discussing the previous two problems. So what is the different from this case? The previous both two cases having the same center point. For example, the corner B is a corner B and O is the same point over here, and also similar. It's like a here O dash is coming under is alone. Okay, but here also the center of the apex point is coming under alone of these cases. Okay, so you're constructing the B dash. Okay, so you need to draw the center of the given base. Okay, how to construct this? You have to draw the perpendicular line from the opposite side for the each corners. Okay, so if you joining the all the lines, you're getting the center point of the given solid. Okay, so once you have to construct the center point, you have to proceeding the downwards lines like above the XY line. Okay, so the prism value having a height value is mentioned in your problem. It's like a height value is 25. Okay, let's consider. So that 25 value you are to constructing towards the XY line. Okay, so once you are to constructing the 25 mm length, that is a point is called as O dash. Okay, once you are to constructing this point, okay, you join in the all the other two corners like the A dash and B dash and C dash, you're getting the front view of the given solid. Once you are to complete it, okay, this is the conditions to draw the pyramid types of solids. Okay, so let's move on the next topic. That is called as a base edge is equally inclined. So whenever you are to studying the equally inclined means you need the angle for these cases. Okay, so what are the cases we have mentioned? Is a equilateral triangle. No. So a equilateral triangle means all the interior angle having a 60 degree only. So here also 60, here also 60, here also 60. Okay. So what is the angle? How to draw? How to find out these two values? Okay. So these values having called us is like a 180 degree. The total angle will be 180 degree. So the 180 degree you have to consider like the 60 degree. You're minusing 60 degree, you're getting a 120. So 180 degree minus 60 degree. Okay. So once you're completing these cases, you conclude that you have to subtract with 180 minus 60. What is the answer you're getting? It's like 120 degree. Okay. So that 120 degrees can be equally inclined. That is equally divided. Okay. So that you have to divide it by 2. You're getting the value of 60 degree. So that these two angle having 60 degree. These are also 60 degree and here also 60 degree. Okay. So once you have to mark it the angle of 60 degree from the baseline. This is the baseline. This is the baseline. So you mark it as a 60 degree. What is the length value is given? It's like a base edge value. What is the value given in your problem? So you have to constructing this one. Okay. So like a 25 and 25. Okay. Then you have to draw the AB line. So the all the corners naming is called as A, B, C. So the one constructing the corner of A, B, C. After that, you have to find out the center of the solid. Okay. So I already told it's like how to construct the center point of the given solid means is very easy. You have to draw the only for the perpendicular line. So let's consider this is the center point. Okay, this is draw the perpendicular line, and similar A is a perpendicular line and the B is a perpendicular line. Okay, so the from the all the corners getting joining at one meeting point, that meeting point is called as the O. So from the O point, you draw the horizontal line towards the XY line. Once you have to completely give the name, it's like A is coming under A dash, B, C is coming under C dash, D is coming under C dash. Then also you have to consider the height of the given solid. I have to take assume as a height is a 60. Let assume a 60. I have to construct. I mark it as a O dash. Then you have to draw the A dash and B dash joining the line. You're getting A dash O dash and B dash O dash. Okay. So this is the final outcome of this condition whenever the solid can be placed in equally inclined to B.